My dear technicians, you are welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you how to fix charging IC for Android phones. Now we are going to take the measurements. You can see it is giving me 2 points. On the normal, the charging IC is supposed to be supplying 4 points so that the battery can charge and increase in percent. But in this case, you are saying it is giving me 2 points. So now I'm showing you a simple method on how you can solve this. Now I'm getting a panel. This is a Nokia PCB. This is a scrap panel. And on this board, I'm going to be removing this charging IC as you can see here. This is the charging IC for the Nokia phone. And it is very, very powerful. So I recommend you to use this method for your phones. Even all those ITEL charging IC, you can also use it because all of them supply the same output voltage of 4 volts. Okay, that is why I always advise my technicians, please don't throw away your PCB or sell them. Don't sell them. Keep them for future work like this. You can see I have removed the charging IC successfully. Can you see? You can see it, right? So now you can see it has 4 legs. You can see. So now let's test the input. We're going to check for the input and the output now. I'm going to be putting the image on the screen. Okay. So, but now let me test it with my meter. I need to know the input and the output. Okay. The inputs and the outputs, I need to know it. The positive, the 5 volts in and then the 4 volts out. So now I want to confirm it with my multimeter. Okay. So I'm done. So with the image on the screen, I believe you have gotten the input and the output. So now we are going to go with our connection now. Okay, let's go with our connection. But before that, I want to take the reading again to be sure that yes, the charging IC of the phone is bad. So now let's read. You can see 2 points and you can see 5 points. That 5 points is from the VBAT. I mean, from the VBus coming straight from the charging point. Okay, that is the current coming from the charging port. And the charging IC is supposed to be giving me 4 volts, not 2. Okay, so now let's connect our charging IC. But please take your time to do this. My dear technicians, take your time to do this. Don't rush. Make sure it is not bridging. Please make sure it does not bridge. Okay, please, you can find a better angle to put this to fix this charging IC. Okay, I'm going to change the position. All right, I'm just fixing it now for the sake of this video to prove to you how it works. All right, I'm going to find a better position to fix the charging IC. All right, I'm not going to leave it in this position. I'm connecting it like this. Okay, I just want to show you how it works. All right, then I'll do the proper thing. Okay, so let's go. Take your time to do this. Take your time. Take your time. Let's connect it. That is the output there. The output that goes to the battery. That is the output of the charging IC that goes to the battery. The charging IC, the LED is bridging the legs together, so I'm trying to separate them. I don't want it to bridge. Okay, so now let's solder it. Oh, you can see I didn't bridge it, although it looks like as if it's bridged, but no. So let me separate it again. I don't want it to look like as if it's bridged. Okay, I don't want it to be bridged so that it doesn't damage the charging IC. Okay, you can take other charging ICs from ITEL or Techno 528. Okay, you can take a charging IC from there if you don't have the Nokia PCB. All right, so now I've gotten my jumper. Let me get rid of the coating and then do my connection and show you guys that yes, it is working. This is actually a simple way. Okay, because you cannot get the charging IC of Android phones in the market. And even the scrap panel, sometimes it is difficult to get. So this is a simple method for you to follow. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end to understand every single step I am taking. Okay, so now please make sure it does not breach. You can see I'm trying to make sure it does not breach. So can you see I'm done with that connection? So now let me connect to the charging IC now. Let me connect. It has removed. Let me reconnect it again. Let me resolder it. Okay, so I think I'm done with that. Let me reconnect. Let me solder it very well. I'm done. So now let me connect my jumper now. I'm going to connect my jumper right away. Connect my jumper right away. You can see. I'm trying to position my PCB so that I can do my connection well. So you can see I'm done connecting. You can see I'm done connecting the middle pin to the battery, while the first pin is to the V-bus. So you can see. Let's connect our charger and then take our measurement from the multimeter. Let's read. Well, it's still giving me 2 points. 4 points is coming from the charging IC. Okay, I think there's something wrong. The battery connector is giving me 2 points. You can see. Let me position my multimeter. You can see it's giving me, that is from the charging IC. So there's an error somewhere. Okay, let's correct it. The charging IC, the middle pin is not the output. Please, I'm sorry for that. So this last pin is the output. Okay, the last pin the last pin is the output. The last pin here is the output. So now I'm going to correct it now. I'm correcting it now. Okay, I told you, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to position the charging IC on the PCB like this, because if I do it, it is not, the cover is not going to cover it well. So I'm just for the sake of this video, I'm just connecting it this way, just to show you the work. Okay, but after this video, I'm going to connect it in the proper way. I'm going to remove it from here and then do a normal connection whereby I can couple the phone and give it to the customer. All right, so now we're almost done. I'm done now. You can see. So the last leg is the output, while the first leg is the input. So now let's take our measurements again with our multimeter. Okay, so now 1, 2, go. You can see 4.32. You can see 4.32. Can you see that? Can you see that? Now let's take it again. 4.32. So now you're good to go and the work is done. Now if you plug your battery and plug in your charger, it's going to charge and the battery will now increase percentage. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share. Follow us for more videos like this. Subscribe to this channel and tell your friends about this. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all. More videos like this is coming your way. Stay tuned. Please leave your comments. Whatever you don't understand, leave your comments. I will respond to you in no time. Okay, you can see it's working now. Give it time, it's going to be increasing percentage. Okay, so we're good to go. Thanks for watching, my dear technician. See you again in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.